Who among you would like to drive in a road like this? Or live in a place like this? Ladies and gentlemen, these are the effects of climate change. And I am Reynaldo Benalia, and I will be discussing energy sustainability and climate change. The pollutants in the air prevent the heat from escaping, thereby producing global warming and climate change. What triggered this phenomenon, and what can we do? According to David Suzuki, burning fossil fuel is largely responsible for climate change. The pollutants we pump into our atmosphere are changing its composition and preventing the heat from escaping from the earth. Other factors are deforestation and intensive farming. We need energy to run the industry, agriculture, we need energy for our cars, we need light, we need energy to cook and preserve food, and even to heat our houses. There are two types of energy, renewable and non-renewable energy. Renewable energy can be replaced in a short period of time, so there's no problem of running out easily. And the best thing of using renewable energy is that it is cleaner and environment friendly. Example of renewable energy are wind. This is a very clean source of electricity. We have solar. It can generate clean and reliable power. And we have hydroelectricity. Using hydro dams can store huge amount of water, which can produce electricity when needed. And we have biogas that can generate from organic matter of vegetable and animals. It can be from agricultural residues like straw and manure. Non-renewable energy, however, takes centuries to form, and it will run out if usage becomes too high. It's otherwise known as fossil fuels. It produces harmful gas emissions that destroy our environment. There are three types of fossil fuels. We have oil, which is the most widely used. Then we have coal, which is commonly used in developing countries. And we have natural gas, which is a relatively new type of energy source. These fossil fuels create problems to the environment. Some of its problems that it creates are greenhouse gas accumulation, acidification, air pollution, and water pollution. This is caused by the release of pollutants that are naturally present in fossil fuel structures. In spite of the threat or harm to the environment, people are using tremendous amount of fossil fuel. According to the Energy Information Administration, the global energy consumption is 85% using fossil fuel. Why are we still using fossil fuel in such large scale? According to Ensler, in the article Fossil Fuel that was published last year, people are using fossil fuel because it is cheaper than any other source of energy. But according to environmental scientists, fossil fuel prices will increase in the coming years because of scarcity. So what will happen if there is oil scarcity? With high demand plus low supply, we'll have high prices. And these high prices will trigger economic depression globally. We will have famine, war, and even collapse of global civilization. So we need energy sustainability. What is energy sustainability? Just like what our first speaker said, we make sure that we meet our energy needs now without stopping the people in the future from meeting theirs. There are two things that we can do. First, we can use renewable energy. Renewable energy can alleviate the effects of fossil fuel shortage. It can be replaced in a short period of time, so there's no problem of running out easily. And the best thing is it can mitigate the impact of climate change. Second, we need to change our lifestyle. We need to turn off appliances when not needed. We need to switch off electricity. We need to recycle our waste. We need to walk. We need to use bicycle than using our car. Then we can even carpool and going to CCSU, and many, many more. So for the past 6 minutes, I was able to discuss climate change, the two types of energy. I was able to talk about a little about energy sustainability and the things that we can do. Let me end my presentation with this. Sustainability and climate change are very complex issues. It cannot be solved by ourselves alone. We need to think globally and act locally. And the time to act is now. Remember that the fate of the world is in our hands. Thank you very much. Our next presenter is my classmate, Meta Paslan. She's from Turkey, and she will be discussing about urban sustainability.
Thank you.